Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I know that many people are finding it difficult to update or upload HD quality photos on their WhatsApp status. You need not to worry again, because in today's video I'll be taking you through the step-by-step process of uploading a higher resolution or an HD quality photo on your WhatsApp status. If today happens to be your first time, kindly click on the subscribe button so that whenever I drop a new video, you'll be the first person to watch. So without wasting much time, let's get started. I'm using two WhatsApp now. I have the normal WhatsApp and the WhatsApp business. Yeah, so for the tutorials purposes, I'm going to use the normal WhatsApp. So I open my WhatsApp. Yeah, I unlock it. Yeah, so now WhatsApp is having a feature that you can message your own self. Yeah, so I used to register this WhatsApp is my Tigo. Yes, it's a Tigo. Now formerly I thought Tigo. Yes, so I open my chat. So this message is like sending a message to my own self. Now as is indicated here, message your own self. Yes, message your, so meaning I'm messaging my own self. So first of all, the picture I want to upload with a high quality or high definition, I go to the attached file. Yes, I open my gallery, then I scroll through. There's my edited pictures. So for the educational purposes, yeah, I want to use one of my client pictures. So I open this one. I'll choose this one. So now when you zoom in, you can see the details is not all that clear. So WhatsApp is having a feature called HD. That is the high definition. So I will set the picture on HD. When I tap on it, you can see standard quality, then HD quality. So I will choose the HD quality. So now the photo is set to HD quality. So when you zoom in, you can see the full details of the picture. That's the frequency separation of the picture. Yes. So if I want to post the picture with a caption, let's say a happy birthday caption, then I'll type here, happy birthday to you, dearie. Then I'll add an emoji, birthday emoji. Yes, so this is what I will add as a caption to the on my WhatsApp status when posting this picture. So I just go forward and send the message to my own self. Now the message is sent to my own self. It has not been sent out to anybody. Now anybody. Yeah, so with this same picture, there's a forward button here. So I will just forward this picture to my status. So I choose my status. Now you can see the caption is what attached to the photo here. Now I just click on send. So now I've updated my WhatsApp status. So I'll go back, I'll go to my status here, then I click here. When I zoom in, you can see the full details of the picture. The quality of the picture has not reduced, it has maintained its quality, and you can see the frequency separation very well, or the details or the skin textures very well. So if I want to verify it, now I'll go and open my WhatsApp business. So I'm having this number to save on my phone, so I can see it on my WhatsApp business. So I open it, I go to my update. Yes, now you can see my Tigo. This one, yes, is the one I just updated my status. So now it has loaded. When I zoom in here, now you can see the full details of the picture is what is on. Yes, and the quality has never reduced or has not reduced. So this is how we update a status without reducing the quality. If you find this video very helpful, kindly like, subscribe, share, and tap on the bell icon so that whenever I drop any video, you and your family will be the first person to watch. Thank you for watching.